Let's rewind to a time before today, March 12th. On this day, in a chill group chat that definitely doesn't flame me every day. Yeah, they must be talking about a different person. Oh. Well, anyways, the discussion on March 12th looks something like this. Telling you to practice, lol, jk though, leetcode.com. Actually, this is a recommendation for me. Both are recommendations. LeetCode, practice coding questions for programming jobs, and I assume Free Code Camp is a way to learn to code. Ninny. I've been told if you should read anything I send, just read it in my voice. I think Trey meant the LeetCode in reference to his statement. LOL, I see. I read it two ways and wasn't sure, but without context it reads right. Trey voice makes sense, no Trey voice, no makes sense. Maybe I read it wrong. I need to make a Trey voice trainer for text-to-speech. Can you read a book and record it for me, Trey? Should be enough data to go off of. Yeah, while I'm gone, I'll work on Trey AI for you. Whoa. I don't need it to be a fancy AI, just enough to learn your inflections. Should be simple enough. AI too much. We got two Treys? That might get a little chaotic. So that's how the thought was created. I then went on to Florida for a bit, worked at my uncle's club, and never worked on the project. I know, very productive. I moved back home, and after being denied by every internship I applied to... Wait a minute. What if I had someone to talk to? Someone who has gone through the exact same issues I have and could have sympathy for me. Someone or something. Okay, we'll start off making a Python file. And then I don't really know where to go. So easy fix. We're just going to do a quick reading montage. See you in a bit. Hi, Teacher Trey here. I use PyTorch and all their documentation that they provided. I will provide all the links to all the articles I used in the description if you guys want to go ahead and give it a read yourselves. Definitely would recommend. I think the first thing we need to do, collect our data. And I went around trying to think of how we could collect data, and really the only easy option is, I think, use Discord. Thankfully, this individual right here has created a Discord scraper. And pretty easy to install, but we're going to go ahead and use that, and I'll get back when we're done. Okay, I clear the data out just so you know nothing gets leaked, but this is the data format of the CSVs. When you choose that as an output, you get an author ID, author, date, content, attachments, reactions. And all we need is this format right here. And here we can see that it is sentence 1 tab response. So we're just now gonna make a script to do that. BRB. Click snag on the data organizing. So we're gonna want the format as I showed, but anytime there's an inline character such as this going on here, we're gonna have to fix that. So it reads this as these two sentences as one sentence pair. And also Unicode characters such as emojis and accent marks doesn't like it. You can code the emojis out if you know the Unicode values. I believe there's a website for it. I don't know it. So we have the long process of single-handedly taking out every emoji. And then all we have to do is run the model, and we'll see if that works. So after running the VOC and getting no errors, you'll see down here, right here, sentence pairs. That's fine. 30,000 minimum, I'd say, to get it kind of functioning. And if you have less than that, you may get what I would call unga bunga talk. And I may have run into that quite a few times, but the solution I found for it is what I would call smudging our data. In the chatbot tutorial on PyTorch that I linked below, there's a download link for MovieScript data. I just took about 20k lines and just slapped it into my data that way to give it some extra cushion and learn some stuff. And bam, now we have 30k lines for data. Okay, now we can go on to training this. Okay, so it's done. We're now going to evaluate it. So let's go try something simple like hi. Okay, test. I'm back more. Huh. Been playing that one moment when you were scheduled Mobo then? Interesting, interesting, interesting. Sounds like stuff I may say. I don't know, I'm kind of sassy. Let's try something a little bit more complicated now. Want to play Siege? Okay, bet. Let me know. It's ready for testing. Let's go test this on a friend. Okay, so how I did this process was I went in the group chat and I said, hey, somebody DM me. And then I fed the bot what he sent. In this case, I just said DM, you know, keep it simple. And I just typed in what the bot said. And as we can see, DM sent what's the test? You are playing unranked with me. Win. Okay, I'll be home and then on if you want to be ready. I can't play till a bit later. We getting the car fixed at the moment, but I'll be back around 5 when dinner. So 6. I'm soon, since you know I'm not sure by all I'm getting of them. Wait, getting all. What? Sure. In the morning and our day. I'm with Tina. Is this code? Yes. And then after that I kind of explained it to him. That was fun. I think it kind of held an interaction with them, which I love. I love that it worked. So now we're gonna go export it to Discord and create a server with as a Discord bot. We're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of code from the PyCord library, formerly known as discord.py, to just basically send the evaluation function as a slash command. And then all we gotta do is pass the token to the bot we created, and let's see how it works. Okay, so it should be... Okay, yep, looks like it works. I'm gonna go let this run for a couple days, and then I'll get back and send a snippet of some of my favorite interactions. Can you tell Parker to fuck himself? Do you want me to do what I do? Yeah, boom on him. Yeah. Who is your best friend? My wife. What a politically correct answer. Who is your wife? My wife. Are you being held against your will? No. I have a wife? Better ask Trey. Who is your wife? My wife. Checks out. Do you have a wife? No. Arkansas. No, 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 no. 2 + 2 = 1. I mean, I don't know why that's right. 1v1 me right now. Good luck, Parker. You can take this bitch. Thanks, homie. Will do. And that was the story of Treybot. Maybe one day it will come back bigger and better. Maybe Parker really did beat it in the 1v1. Thanks for the adventure. I'd like to make more content like this in the future, so stay tuned and please give feedback in the comments. Until next time.